desperate 911 call reports a shooting.
911, what is the address of the emergency? What is the address?
He pulled out a gun. My wife's been shot.
Okay.
My wife's been shot.
The caller informed the dispatcher that his wife had been shot, but just as the first call cuts off, another 911 call comes in from a different person.
Somebody's shooting that house.
At your house?
Ellie?
Listen.
Yes.
At your house?
Ellie?
Is anyone hit?
I'm the kid. My brother's hit. He's still in the driveway. He's shooting.
Still in the
The man
driveway?
is shooting.
The caller blames Matthew, the same man from the first 911 call, and the dispatcher quickly realizes that there are two active shooters. And on top of that, they're about to step into unknown territory.
Get out of here. Get out of here. Go.
Okay, there's one.
On my left side right here.
We're over. All right, we're good. There's a Jeep.
Find the white car in the back.
All right, stopping. Stop.
Anybody in the Jeep, step out now with your hands up. Face away from me. Hands up, face away from me. Get out of the Jeep. Hands up, face away from me. Get out of the Jeep.
Matthew Mollicone, also known as Matt, steps out shouting for help.
Kim is in the back seat. She's shot.
What's her name?
Kim.
Kim, can you get out of the car?
Unresponsive. Go.
Come out to me, man. Can you hear me?
Keep your hands in the air.
I got one at the door. I got one at the door.
Is she in there?
Cover behind this vehicle.
Let me take care of her. I'll take care of her. County 1, we have one GSW to the neck, not responding.
Come on with your hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Come on, walk out to us. Grab her. Come here. Come on, take her out of here. Get her behind the car.
Come on, Bush, let's go.
Kim, Matthew's wife, is shot and unresponsive. Officers pull her from the car to get her to safety. But in the chaos, they spot a gun and realize the guy asking for help is Matthew, one of the alleged shooters. He's detained on the spot, yet the danger isn't over. Another gunman is still out there.
Come out with your hands up. Ready, come towards us, man.
Hey, get to work, please. Please, I don't care what you know. You gotta get to work.
You need to get back over here.
It's my wife. Get to work, please. Please. Please, I'm begging you.
Sir.
CPR something.
Sir, come on.
CPR.
Come on.
Stay over here. Shooter, man. We can't. Bring that car.
I'll do it then.
Yep, two. There's four. Two adults, two kids. Lift her up. Put her on my shoulder.
No, we're not doing
Damn
this.
you. Damn you. You're right here. Push your...
Matthew identifies the lone shooter as Danny, already wounded with a bullet to the leg. But even injured, a cornered gunman can be more dangerous than ever. Officers steel themselves, knowing the next move could decide everything.
Come here. Straight forward.
Across the lawn!
Come here. Come on.
Across the lawn!
We'll take it. Come straight towards me. Straight towards me. Just hands up. Straight towards me. Keep walking.
Come on! Come on! This way!
Come on. Keep your
Come.
hands up. Come to me, hon. Sir.
Omani, come on!
Sir, stop 1 second. Ma'am, you keep walking towards
Come on.
me. Stop.
Come on!
Here,
Right here, come! Come here! Come here! Come here! Over here! Hands behind your back. Right. Hands behind your back. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
I don't do
It's
nothing.
okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Is it your son inside that was shot?
Yes,
Is he shot?
they bait
Where is he shot?
in the leg and in the foot.
A leg in the
Leg in the foot. It's okay, relax, 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 relax. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay.
Who else is in the house?
My daughter alone, my little grandchildren.
Okay.
How many?
2 little children?
My daughter, Gabriela.
Your daughter? 2
Uno,
grandchildren?
dos.
Danny's mother comes out and confirms to police he's still alive, shot in the leg. Officers are focused on the children inside, and the fact that the shooter, though injured, is armed and dangerous.
This guy and my wife have been having an affair for 9.5 years. I found out about it 6.5 years ago, and I found out about it again 45 days ago. And I said to her, so this guy's going to call you in a month? And she said, you want me to break up with him? I said, that sounds about right. She goes, let's go. So we have to go to his house.
happened?
We were going to the house for her to tell him, stop calling me, I'm done with you. As soon as I get out of the car, he comes out of the garage, like this, like a police officer, right at my face. And I put my hands up. And I say, whoa, bro. And she screams at him, Danny. And I said, stop with my wife. As soon as I said that, he shot at me. I ducked around to the back of this car here. And I pulled my firearm and I started shooting at him.
But when police turn to Danny, his version of events paints a very different picture, one that will completely challenge Matthew's story.
How long were you and Kim involved in a relationship? Whether it was on and off or...
Excuse me, I'm gonna step out. It's been quite some time, about 8 years.
8 years? Okay. So you're talking 8 years with Kim, and then...
I pulled the plug.
Okay.
I haven't spoke to her
How long?
since.
Yeah, sorry. Go
I
ahead.
haven't spoke to her since.
Okay. How long ago
2
was
years
that you cut it
2
off?
years.
2 years?
2 years.
Danny swears he hasn't seen Kim in over a year, but Matt has already claimed they were in touch just 45 days ago. The stories are colliding head-on. Clearly, someone's lying, and police are determined to find out who. A new piece of the puzzle walks in, bringing with it a twist that's about to end the police's biggest dilemma once and for all.
When you're referring to last night at 9:15, we're talking about July 12th.
The night she was,
All right. Perfect.
So how did she contact you that she was coming over?
So, she didn't. She just stopped over. She said Matt had taken her car from her. She's not allowed to drive anymore. He was abusive. I was a friend of hers trying to help her. Her husband, Matt, needs me to get some of my stuff, my jewelry. He's mad. So, Kim was high. I believe she was on cocaine. And she would never admit that to me. But her actions, I was starting to figure it out, that she was back using. And she was really acting very strange that night. And she said, I need to get the glass off of me. And I said, what are you talking about? She said, Matt broke a picture frame over my head. And can you help me get the glass off of me? While she was there, she said, Matt's going to kill me tonight, I know it. That's what she said.
A close friend of Kim's, Lori Grant, walks in and drops a bombshell. She tells police that Matt has been abusive and that Kim was high that day, and worse, that Kim had confided in her that Matt would kill her. The image of a devastated, grieving husband is shattered, and for the first time, police begin to see Matt in a very different light. Everything was on surveillance camera, and when police finally review the footage, what they see is about to blow this case wide open. The footage is raw and chilling. Matt and Kim step out. Danny storms forward, and heated words are exchanged when suddenly a shot is heard.
Get out of here, bro.
No! Get out of here! Danny! Danny! Danny!
I'll blow
Danny!
Stop!
Matt!
Get out! Get out of here!
Danny!
I'll blow
Stop it!
Stay away from my wife!
Stop it! Stop it!
You're here for? Stay away from my wife!
In seconds, the driveway turns into a battlefield. Kim scrambles back into the driver's seat. Matt jumps into the passenger side, and just moments later, the car window rolls down. Matt leans out and fires toward the house.
Get out of here!
With the footage in hand, detectives stop circling and start pressing Matt with direct, undeniable questions.
Bro, I didn't think that the guy was going to be SWAT when I got there.
What about you, though?
What about me?
I mean, you know, let's be honest here.
I've never pulled a firearm on a
No,
person.
I'm just gonna.
I've never
like,
discharged a firearm.
Entertain me for a minute here. Let's be honest here for a second, Matt. Like,
No.
you weren't mad. Some guy's boinking your wife,
Detective, listen.
and you're not mad about it.
I've known about this for 6.5 years.
Right.
I was mad.
And
Now-
you were told it was cut off, right?
No.
And then today you're told it's not cut
No.
off.
45 days ago, I was told it's not cut off.
45 days ago.
Correct.
But then today, you said the conversation took place between you guys. How you never, she
How
never
did
ended
it
it.
end? How did
But
it
she
end?
never ended it, right?
Right.
You're a man, I'm a man. I've been cheated on before. You can't tell me that you were... I don't know anybody that's gonna buy this. I wasn't mad. I went there like all cool, all great. Just thought it was gonna be a... I'm sorry, but I don't believe that for a second, Matt. And I don't think anybody else does either, because it just doesn't make any sense.
Matt refuses to budge, clinging to his story like his life depends on it. And just when it seems like the standoff might drag on forever,
You know,
just as detectives are wrestling with the conflicting stories, a shocking update comes in. So big, they waste no time in informing both suspects of it.
First of all, take a breath, all right? She didn't make it. She died.
Oh, no! 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 Oh my God, no! No! Oh my God, no! No!
The moment detectives confirm Kim's death, Matt breaks down wailing, while Danny appears visibly upset, but eerily calm. With the truth laid bare, police arrest Matt, charging him with voluntary manslaughter, assault with a deadly weapon, and 3 counts of felony firearm possession. He pleads not guilty, but the jury sees it differently. Matt is sentenced to 15 years for manslaughter and 40 years for assault with a deadly weapon. Meanwhile, Danny's found not guilty, as his actions were deemed as self-defense. The ending is far from happy. Kimberly was gone, her family broken, her children traumatized, and the community left reeling from a tragedy that never should have happened.